Every summer, UC Davis employees roll up their sleeves to spruce up campus before the next school year starts. From a bird's eye view, you can see we've been working on 5 new roofs on campus, including the music building and Green Hall, with a dozen more planned for next summer. We finished construction on Orchard Park in time to welcome students and their families to 1,500 new beds on campus. We moved the Gorman Museum to expand the footprint of contemporary Native American art on campus, including a new entryway inspired by a Putwin basket weaver. We cleaned up outdoor spaces on campus, pruning near intersections for safety, and washing windows with the help of drones. Plus, a new parking app that simplifies parking choices for ease and flexibility. New short-term rentals of electric scooters and bikes will make it easy to glide across campus for a meeting, lunch, or class. A new phone number connects campus callers with Health 34's rapid response team, who can help with minor medical issues, mental health, and crisis prevention. We've updated campus HR systems to better use live names whenever possible, including for transgender, non-binary, international, and married professionals whose names at work differ from their legal documents. We drafted a plan to eliminate fossil fuels used by UC Davis by 95%, and we committed to the next phase of the Big Shift. This summer, campus leaders analyzed thousands of ideas submitted by employees to solve long-term budget problems, identifying top ideas for quick wins and continuous improvements. We've taken maintenance from routine to welcoming, innovative, caring, clean, and smart, making campus a better place to live, learn, and work. It's all in a summer's work at UC Davis. Find out more at foa.ucdavis.edu.